you how you can run MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 on your Mac, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or whatever Mac you have. So the problem everyone has is that they can use MetaTrader on their Macs. I know it's annoying, and I have the solution for you. You don't need a Windows PC for that. You can use your Mac device. So all you have to do is you have to install Parallels. Parallels is a great program that allows you to run a virtual Windows PC on your Mac. At the same time, during you are using your Mac with the OS system. So you don't have to switch it where you have to decide, do I want now to use Windows or the Mac, like you can do it on the with the boot camp. You can use both at the same time. So only thing you have to do is to get the program from Parallels so that you can run Windows on Mac, and you are able to run your MetaTrader on your Mac at the same time as you use your Mac fully normally. If you want to get Parallels, I have a great offer for you. Just use the link that is in the first. Just use the link in the first description, and you also will get a discounted price for Parallels on your Mac. So this is that. I hope you have a great day, and let it thumb up if you liked this video and if it helped you. So thank you and bye bye.